Please subscribe to our channel, and for latest update, click on the bell icon.
The next question for you is, three identical glasses can hold 1 liter of water. A bucket can hold 8 liters of water. How many glasses of water is required to fill the bucket? Okay, and the options are A24, B16, C9 and D25. Fine. So, three identical glasses, that is similar glasses, can hold 1 liter of water. So, if three glasses can hold 1 liter, okay, how many glasses can hold 8 liters? So, what you have to do? Very good. You just have to multiply, right? So, if I multiply 3 into 8, I get 24. Fine. So, which means that 24 glasses of water will make 8 liter, which is equivalent to 1 bucket. Okay. So, answer A, 24 is the right one. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? So, the next question is, a basket of fruits weighs 1 kg 52 grams. The basket weighs 490 grams. What is the mass of the fruits? The options given are 606 kilogram, 562 grams, option C 605 kilograms, and option D 506 grams. Okay. So, a basket of fruits weigh 1 kg and 52 grams, which means 1052. As I told earlier, whenever you see this, don't make a mistake of putting it as 1.520. They have said 52 grams. In case it was 520, they would have mentioned it as 520 grams. Clear? So, when you find it in single or double digit, it means that you have to see the units place value and then calculate. Clear? So, 1052 minus the basket is weighing 490 grams. So, we will do a subtraction. So, 15 minus 9 is 6, 9 minus 4 is 5. So, the Mass of the fruits is 562 grams, not kilograms. So B is the right answer. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? The next question asks you, Ram reduced his weight by 13 kilos. If he weighs 41 kilo now, what was his original weight? The options given are 46 kg, option B 28 kg, option C 25 kgs, and option D 54 kgs. Now, Ram has reduced his weight by 13 kilos and he is weighing 41 kilo now. So we need to find out what was his original weight. So what we have to do, children, we have to subtract here or add here? Think and say. He had reduced by 13 kilo and now he is weighing 41. So after coming down to 13 kilo, now he is 41. So what was his original? Very good. You need to add here. You don't have to subtract because this is the answer after subtracting from the original value. We need to find the original value. So we have to add 41 along with 13. So 1 plus 3, 4 and 4 plus 1, 5. So earlier Ram weighed 54 kilo. That is option D. Clear? Same question if they would have asked that earlier his weight was something and now he has reduced by 13 kilos. So what is his current weight? So in that case, we need to do a subtraction. Clear? Shall we move to the next one? Here is your next question. Pavan jogged 3 kilometer, 4 meter and Harish jogged 1 kilometer and 80 meter. How much further did Pavan jog than Harish? The options given are 1 kilometer, 924 meter, option B 1 kilometer, 204 meter, option C 1 kilometer, 46 meter and option D 2 kilometer and 84 meter. Okay. So, Pavan jogged 3 kilometer and 4 meter. So, it should be 3004. They have said 3 kilometer and 4 meter, not 400. So, 4 will be in the units column. Okay. Minus Harish jogged 1 kilometer and 80 meter. So, 1080. It's 80, not 800. Okay. So, now we do a subtraction. 4 minus 0 is 4. 10 minus 8 is 2. Then 9 and 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1.924. So which means that Pavan has jogged 1 kilometer and 924 meter ahead of Harish. That is option A. Clear, children? You have to be very, very careful when you are doing this conversion. especially in terms of converting the units. Clear?